So this bank was a lot muddier than I thought. But anyway, welcome back to Fish and Foliage and Frying Pans. It's your hostess with the mostest. Today we're in Fort Washington State Park, doing a little creek fishing. I've never fished here before, this is the first time. Look at that beauty.
Red crested sunfish. Beautiful little guy. Look at the color on him. Gorgeous little fish. Gorgeous, gorgeous creek fish. See you later, buddy. Colorful looking guy, huh?
So for the next few minutes of this video, you'll be watching me fish with the Rebel horsefly lure. This lure is absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, at the end of my fishing trip, I got it snagged in a tree. So, rip that lure. However, I have a second one.
Oh, look at the size of you. Oh, look at that. Got him on. The Rebel horsefly. Ooh, this guy is spicy. Wonderful little lure.
When I was using this lure, the first thing I noticed was how crazy the sunfish go for this. The top water action is insane. Now, a really good tip is to use this lure with a twitching motion. Reenact the motion of an insect that just fell from a branch and is now stuck in the water. And the wings might be buzzing, and it's creating that crazy top water action that those fish absolutely love.
Oh,
This was one of the best ways I found to fish this.
Drive right here by the bridge in good old Philadelphia, my hometown. Ah, this water looks beautiful. Oh, you got it good. Ooh, got a little fight in there. A little fight in them. Oh. Ooh. I love that topwater action. Oh, and he got off.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. If you liked it, please subscribe, leave a comment. I've heard they're good for the YouTube algorithm. This has been a Fishing, Foliage, and Frying Pans production.